How to lock profile in Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Technosensei. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I am going to guide you how to lock profile in Facebook. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile page. Access the profile lock option. On your profile page, look for the 3-dot menu near the top right corner. Tap on these 3 dots. Select lock profile. In the menu that appears, you should see the lock profile option. Tap on it. Confirm the action. You will see a screen explaining what locking your profile does. Read through it and tap on lock your profile to confirm. Profile locked. Once your profile is locked, only your friend will be able to see your full-size profile picture and post. Additionally, only a limited view of your profile content will be visible to people who are not on your friend list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in comment below and let us know what you like to see next. See you in the next video.